Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Pepe update at the moment. So Pepe on the daily is doing an incredible job. We're still holding the demand zone. So remember your touch, remember this touch there, and right now you're still consolidating. So in a perfect world, okay, whatever happened here, this one, whatever was there should be happening right over here. Whatever this was, this is the history, can actually repeat again and you can start to move to the upside here. I want to take a circle if we can find one. Where's the circle? Just gonna scroll down and down, and yeah, this is the ellipse tool is what I'm gonna use. So right over here, all right, something like that. Okay, so it's gonna be like this and like that and like that and like that. Okay, so this is the oval that I'm drawing right now, and this oval is actually the history. I'm tracing the history basically. So I'm going to take the ellipse tool once again. So where was it? It's going to be down somewhere here, and there you go. Okay, so I'm going to place this just like that and just like that. Boom, extend it right there. So yeah, for me personally, these are the two circles that look very, very similar. Whatever the movement was right over here, okay, this movement that you see is the movement that I'm expecting for Bitcoin sorry, not Bitcoin, but Pepe to repeat the very same thing once again. Now, keep in mind that eventually, if you break below here, okay, if you start to come down to this area, that's going to be 7,600. If you do come down to 7,600, you're trading at 8,600 at the moment, and that's totally okay in my own personal comment about it. But as soon as you're going to lose it and backtest the demand zone, and you turn that demand zone now into the resistance, that again the technical target is going to be at 5,500 for Pepe. Okay, now let's see, time will tell if this is history repeating or not. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.